Hi, I'm Kelly McGuire with TMC, and I'm here for the final day of the 21st IT Expo, at the Miami Beach Convention Center. And I'm speaking with Xorcom's Vice President of Marketing, Ruth Bridger. Welcome, Ruth.
Thanks, Kelly.
So why don't you tell me what you've got in your lap there?
Okay, well, we've made a few announcements at the show.
Okay.
One of them has to do with this unit, which is a redundant, multiple dedicated power supply unit. That means that it's got internal power supplies, and they all hook up here through the front panel. But if I could show on the rear panel, you can see that there are 4 independent, 2 are populated here, power supply units. And the great thing about this box is that if in the event that one of these power supplies fails, then not only does an alert go out to the system administrator, either by email or recorded voicemail or whatever, but the other remaining power supplies then balance the load and continue providing the power that's required by the other units on the system. So that's our redundant power supply unit. In addition, it also has 8 internal USB hubs at 4 ports apiece. So that's 32 USB 2 ports, and that complements the 16 Astra Banks that can be run off the power supplies. So this one unit can provide USB 2 connection and power for up to 16 Astra Banks.
And what is that doing for the users of the system?
Well, it provides the reliability that they need, because in telephony you really do need that maximum uptime. And with our Astra Bank, those are telephony modules that are external to the Astra server. You can keep them powered efficiently in a very compact 19-inch 1U rack mountable unit. So it gives you that peace of mind. And also, because of the alert that goes out, you can schedule system maintenance, and the systems continue to operate even though one of the power supplies has gone down.
Great. And you said that you did make 3 announcements here at the show, so what is another announcement that you made?
Another one is this 16-port PRI unit. This is very, very dense. You can get up to 16 T1 or 16 E1 ports in a single unit. That means over 480 T1 channels. And these high densities are required by CLECs, VoIP services providers. Real estate is very important in the computer room.
Absolutely.
And when you can get such high densities for telephony modules in such a small box, it's a boon to the CLECs. So this is our 16-port PRI, and it's brand new.
That's great.
Yeah.
And you said that there was one more.
Yes.
So fill me in. You've been having quite a busy week here, I see.
Yeah. Save the best for last.
Okay.
What we've done is we've taken the Zigbee protocol. Now, Zigbee is GPL, and it's a low power, low frequency radio signal that's used to transmit data in a repeater style fashion, and it has just so many uses. But we decided that it would be great if we could tap into this data resource and integrate it into a PBX, so that having the information that's collected by Zigbee available to the PBX, you add the human interface. And I think the best way to describe it is to give a sample application. Think about assisted living, the concept of a panic button.
Okay.
If one of the residents in a nursing home, for example, presses a panic button. Well, there are many solutions out there. But if you had the panic button connected via the Zigbee protocol, you get the information not only that there is an emergency, but you can also locate that resident specifically. You send that information via the PBX. The PBX can take that information and, using communication like paging or sending a voicemail or any other kind of alert to the nurse. And the nurse will get the information not only about the location of the patient, the fact that they need some emergency assistance, but also can communicate back to that patient via the PBX. So it's basically putting the communication network of the PBX into the Zigbee framework so that you have the data, the information coming in from Zigbee, and all of the communication capabilities of your PBX integrated into one unit. And the assisted living is just one example. It's great for inventory control or resource management. Any time that you want to have human intervention in the information that you get from Zigbee. And we have a live demo going on in our booth here at the Expo, and it's really attracting a lot of attention because this is, quite frankly, the first ever implementation of Zigbee in a PBX that we know about.
Sounds great. I mean, especially for the emergency situations. So I wish you the best of luck with the show. We have been speaking with Ruth Bridger from Xorcom, Vice President of Marketing. I'm Kelly McGuire with TMC here at the Miami Beach Convention Center for our 21st IT Expo. Thanks so much, Ruth.
Thank you, Kelly.
You're welcome.
You can call